Ano, kaya ba today? Binidvidyohan ka pa naman. Ano, kaya ba today? Na kailangan niya ng...
May guys. Story ako sa malamig at place. Yung bata, oh. Oh, anak, papadiretso na sa ano ata, tubig. Do you need help? Barbecue sabon? Ikaw pa, pakailangan may kasama si Bebe na medyo matured. You don't know, so you're afraid. Papa, yung lifeguard mo nakaganda. That's it. Ay, sorry. Okay, careful. Bye. Hindi ka rin naman nalihibo, paano ka magpalit? Ayan, lamig ka na. Malamig na, si Bebe ang galing. Game talon. Go, go, 1, 2, 3. Whee! Napakalamig. Diyos ko, mami yun. Go po. Po. Mana ka. Ulit mo. Okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing talaga. Nandun, nasa kaya. Ayun. Uy, wag. Huwag mong puntahan, malayo yun. Uy, saan na kayo? Ano, punta sa enjoy? Enjoy? Kuya, mag-video ka, anak. Anak, ikot kayo dito, ikot. Huwag mabilis. Ay, naku, sasalun. Ano, bakit naglara kayo sa tabi? Ano ba? Comment ka. Gano'ng kalamig? Can I? Yes, it's 20 daw. Almost 20 degrees. Anak, may bola. Ano, pagod? Ayun na si Bebe, oh.
All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all
Sasasikip natin si Papa. Uy.
Ooh, happiness requires
Hindi ko alam ba? Dandaan ka, huwag ka tumalon. Dandaan
work
ka lang.
every day.
go.
Oh, and if that someone
Sige na,
makes you
talo.
smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel
Yung
or
kamay mo.
who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason.
Paano post na si Rena?
And a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Uy, ano? Ano? Sige. Nasa tabi kami, ayan.
I give it all to you. For
Galing ng baby ko yan, lamig eh. Opo, kalamig. Opo, parang nasa prisa ng tubig. Sanay ka na agad? Bilis mo naman masanay, baby ni eh. Bilis mo masanay.
There must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be more.
Paano mag-ahon ng sirena?
Reason why we do
Paano?
it all for love.
Yeah.
There must be more.
Paano i-post?
Reason than a
Paano
little
isa-isa?
bit of faith has got to come my way.
Live ka na, live. Ba't na? Okay.
Has got to come my way.
Oh, makalamig, baby. Ay, kamay ko yung nanginginig.
Has got to come my way.
Ay, wag, hindi pwede doon. Kahoy. O sige, okay lang.